Hi, a couple of years ago I started getting into D&D. As my passion for D&D grew, so did my collection of minis. Right, hi guys, so this is a special episode. Someone asked me, how do I get my model straight? And as you can see with these little buggers, they're quite bent, and it's quite easy. First what you need is hot water. This is straight from the boiler. I don't have water while I sit and do my stuff, so I have one container with boiling hot water and one with cold water. So if you look at this, for instance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to dip it down here, and it softens the plastic, which makes it quite malleable. And you know what, I'm actually gonna exercise some caution here, just because I remember that I actually have the tools. So I'm gonna use some sort of forceps, just dip it down here. What you should see is that all of a sudden these are super loose. So what I need to do now is to sort of shape them the way I want them, and then try to dunk them in water. And what happens then is, ta-da! I'm going to show you one more time. Now, I'm not going to say that that's the straightest in the universe, but if you look at this one has definitely seen better time. So I'm just going to dip it in here. Makes the entire thing much more flexible, you can see. So try to straighten out the legs. And when I think that it's straight, I try to sort of maintain that position somewhat, and then dip it down in the water. And you can do this repeatedly. So for instance, if I thought that, oh, you know, it's good, but it's not perfect, I can try to just dip down one part of a leg and then dip it down here. So anyways, this was for one of my subscribers that wanted to know how I did this and wanted to see a before and after. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Toodaloo!